Good morning. We're looking at another weak start as overseas Q continue to be bleak and domestic headwinds remain strong. However, Asian indices have shown some resilience so far. Volatility will be high today on account of the F&O expiry. So be aware of the intraday gyrations, especially in the afternoon. Some consolidation near 4,600 is required in order to confirm an intermediate bottom. Tata Group companies will be in limelight as Cyrus Mistry has been named the successor of Ratan Tata. Retail shares will also be in focus as the cabinet finally considers FDI in multi-brand retail. Market players will also keep an eye on the parliament after the first 2 days of the winter session were adjourned. In global action, disappointing response to German bond auction is the latest bad news from Europe. The weak auction of the so-called bonds has raised concern that peripheral euro area issues are fast spreading to the core. Downbeat data on Chinese manufacturing coupled with bailout troubles for Dexia also dented investor sentiment. US economic reports were muted ahead of the Thanksgiving holiday on Thursday. Wall Street will have half day on Friday as holiday shopping kicks off. FIs were net sellers of Rs 11.86 billion in the cash segment on Wednesday, according to the NSE data. The domestic institutions were net buyers of Rs 9.26 billion on the same day. The foreign funds were net sellers of Rs 13 billion in the F&O segment on Wednesday as per the NSE data. FIs were net sellers at Rs 8.62 billion in the cash segment on Tuesday according to the SEBI website. Mutual funds were net buyers of Rs 4.73 billion in the cash segment on the same day. Moving on to recommendations, the technical calls for the day are: we recommend going short on Wipro December futures between Rs 372 to Rs 375 with stop loss placed at Rs 382 and for the target price of Rs 355. We recommend traders to sell MRPL December futures below Rs 59.5 with stop loss of Rs 62 and for the target price of Rs 54.5. Our derivative strategy for the day is long Tata Motors December 190 CE between Rs 324 for the target price of Rs 10 and with a stop loss placed at Rs 1. Thank you. Wish you have a great evening ahead.